Want to know how to explore plants according to your continents or subcontinents? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. First things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. So you can just simply head towards your web browser and type in plantnet.org or identify.plantnet.org. So once you have done that, make sure you are logged in and you should be provided with this interface. Now scroll down a little bit and now you should be seeing visualize regional floras. So you can just simply scroll down and right here you should be seeing explore. So you can just simply select it. And now once you have selected explore, you can just simply sort species right here or scroll down for much more floras and plants right here. So you can also change subcontinents or continents by selecting this right here. And you can also see themes with various continents and subcontinents. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.